Alright, now today I'm going to scrap a computer keyboard. There's nothing really special about these. A lot of people like to smash them over their knee or break them with hammers or, cut it with an axe or whatever. There's tons of different ways to crack this thing open quickly. I like to just take my time and get the screws out of it. Doesn't make so much of a mess. I already took a couple of these out. But there's nothing to them. They'll come out fast. I'm trying not to make a mess, because the keys do. Here, this is all garbage. I don't want to throw it. This is what we want. Nice little piece of tin. A piece of it's brown, so it's number 2 circuit board. Little piece of number 2 circuit board. We got some number 2 coated copper. Don't go cutting the plug off. They'll still give you number 2 copper even though it's got a plug end on it. We got a bunch of screws and the Mylar board. Oh, this is a double one. These Mylar boards, I usually just throw them away. But all these little pathways in here, that's silver. And there are people out there who get the silver out of this board. So what you want to do is you want to save these and wait till you got about a pound of them. And then sell them on eBay. About a pound of them will sell for about 20 bucks. But I usually just throw them away. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Octopus!